Okay, greetings and welcome to this short video on the new WP-SEOcard plugin. And this is a plugin which we developed as an extension of function in our WP Local Biz theme, which is the website builder for local businesses. And we put in a thing called HCard, which basically allows the site owner to put in all the HCard details, like the regional details, the geo-targeted data and so forth. And when you hovered over the HCard link in the footer menu, the HCard popped up, but we wanted to enhance that, and in so doing we thought, well, this is just developing into something really outstanding, let's put it in a plugin, and that's what we've done. So without further ado, let's take you over to the demo site, and there it is now. As you can see, it pops out in the light box. I'll show you how that actually happens. So what we've got here, you can put it anywhere you like, really, as you'll see in a minute. We've got it in the footer pages here, and we've also got it in the main nav bar. But where you've got a bunch of footer pages there, and this is where we originally put it and have it currently in the WP Local Biz theme, is in the bottom here. When you hover over HCard, the HCard itself pops out in this light box, and so we wanted to find a way to do that and incorporate it in a plugin without you having to load up a light box or a fancy box plugin and trying to configure it around and so forth. We've managed to be able to put everything into this plugin so that it actually activates the light box for you automatically, which is brilliant. So what you've got here is HCard details, and we've got the name of the business, we've got the address, we've got the state, the postcode, we've got the country, the latitude and longitude, the region, and the phone number, email, URL, and all of these are very relative for geo-targeted data, and you'll see in the back end in a minute just how relevant that is. For anybody marketing strongly and using Google Places, this is just, I reckon, an essential tool to have. But and down the bottom here you've got the site credits, and that's optional whether you put them in there or not. And this could be by the web designer or you as the website manager or whatever. You can either put it in or leave it out. But there's a link there to the website buy, and you can download the V-card as well. Okay, so we've got it there in the footer, and again we've got it in the HCard up here. Okay. So you can put it pretty much, well, anywhere you want to put it on the site. I'll show you a couple of other places you can put it in a moment. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the source code. So press Ctrl-U, and you can see here, okay, in the source code, inserted by WP-SEOcard, and we've got the meta names. This is all done in XML language. So the search engines go looking for this, they'll find it, and they'll say, hey, this is a legitimate business. This is a legitimate bricks and mortar business with a proper street address and so forth. So we've got the these are all authentic or recognized protocol meta names for the geo targeted data. So we've got the name of the business, the organization, the address, the city, the state, the zip code, the country, the phone number, the network address, which is the email, the host, which is normally that would pull a default address, as it did in this case, for the website that is hosting the plugin, but we've put in an option there that you can actually type in any address that you want to have as the host. Geoposition, which is the latitude and longitude, the region, which is the abbreviation there, and the copyright and the publisher. Okay, so that you can see how that's done, and what I'm going to do now is take you to the dashboard here. Okay, so in settings we go down to SEOcard and we click settings. Okay, and you'll see that everything is in here. This is the only control panel that there is, and it's very, very simple. So you just put in the business name, the street address including the number, the city, the state, the zip code, the country, the phone number, the email, the URL, which is the host URL. And the reason that we actually changed that from just pulling the default URL for the root domain is just in case you want to focus on a particular page of a website, you can do that. Okay, so the coordinates latitude and longitude, and we've got this automated in here. Just let me show you this. If I take these out, we've got this hooked up to Google Maps. Okay, so once you put the address in, and you've got that in correctly with the zip code and the country and state and so forth, you just click Get Data, and you'll see, you probably saw that populated there. And for this here, AU New South Wales, well, I knew that that was what the original abbreviation was, but for those of you that don't, what you can do, we did fiddle around with automating this, but you know, it's just too complex and they're changing these from time to time. So what we thought we'd do is we just link to this here. Okay, so there's Australia, the AU of course. So the ISO standard 3166-2-AU. Okay, we'll just scroll down and you see them all here for New South Wales, Queensland, South Australia, Tasmania, blah, blah, blah. That's the one we want. All you got to do is this. Okay, copy it, go back and whack it in there and you're good to go. So that's that. And then your copyright notice. Now this down here is really worth taking note of. You can insert the metadata, that's what I showed you before in the source code, into the front page. So it can be front page only. You can put it into every post, like single post, and every page, or you can have combinations thereof. And if you wanted to, you can put the metadata anywhere in the header of any file just by pasting that code in there. You can have the SEO card data in a page or a post or a widget, which I'll show you in a moment, just by putting the shortcode. That's the shortcode, and you can put it in a live inline contextual link just by using this shortcode or using WP-SEOcard-URL or the HTTP. Okay, so we're just going to save that. Was saved before. Okay, that's fine. And now we are going to go to, we don't need that anymore. We're going to go back. And let's do something else. So with this, what we're going to do is go to posts. Okay, we go to all posts, and we've only got one post, which is the Hello World. Okay, and we go to edit. Okay, so here it is. Welcome to WordPress. Let's go to the visual. That's what most people like working with. Okay, so we'll say check out our H card. You can have whatever you want to put in there. Okay. I wouldn't have the H card written like that, but just for the purpose of demonstration. Okay, so we're going to make a link. Okay, and what we're going to do is put in WP-SEOcard URL. I had it done before. Okay, it's done. Caps lock off. Okay, add link. Okay, link's added. Let's click update, and we'll go back and we'll have a look at the post. Okay, so there's our link. Okay, so just inline text. Check out our H card, hover over, and there's the H card. Beautiful. Okay, so what about we'll try something else. We'll go back here, and now we want to actually print the H card details in the page. So you can have that on a Find Us page, a Maps page, a Contact Us page, wherever you want to have it, you can have it. So the way we do that is real simple with shortcode, just the opening shortcode bracket, WP-SEOcard, and if I could spell it would be a lot better, that's pretty important. Okay, oh man, WP-SEO, it's late, SEO card. Okay, so that's done, and let's just click update, and again go back here, and we will refresh the page. You'll just go back to the post. Okay, so here we go, and you can see, okay, so there it is, printed out, the name of the organisation or the business, the address, the latitude and longitude, everything that's there in the pop-out, okay, is there printed on a page. So you can either have it popping out like that, or you can actually have it printed, or you can find it anywhere in the text. You can say, you know, check out or download or H card, and there you go. Pops out automatically like that. Now, same thing goes to put it into a widget. Okay, what do we got here? Appearance. Okay, widgets. Okay, so we want to put it in the sidebar. Okay, so we're just going to grab a text widget here. Okay, we'll whack it in there. The title, let's say H card details. I had that before, didn't I? Okay. And now same thing again. Let's see if I can spell it right this time. WP-SEOcard. Close the shortcode bracket and click save. And go back here. And if if this has worked out properly, which I'm sure it has. We'll see it show up here when I refresh the page. Okay, and there it is. Boom, boom, done. Okay, so you've got the all the links are all hyperlinked to the phone number as well. So if you're using this on a mobile site, that will open up the telephone pad. Okay, so download vCard. Okay, so you click on that. What do you want to do with this? I want to open it with Windows Contact. That's fine. And away you go. The vCard is there. Add it to your contacts. Do whatever you want to do with that. And away you go. So that's it, folks. Pretty simple and pretty darn effective. And that's how you create impressive looking H cards with a really neat little feature there using the Lightbox. And of course, don't forget the source code, which is the main thing here in the back, which is really going to give you a lot of SEO juice. So if you're into offline marketing, if you have a website for a local business or any kind of regionally based business, this is just essential to have. Tie this in with an active Google Places campaign, and the two elements are made in heaven. They're a perfect match. So that's just about it, folks. So that wraps it up for the intro on the WP-SEOcard plugin. Thanks for joining me on this video. I hope to see you on the inside, and look forward to seeing you in the next video. Thanks. Bye now.